My name is Dexter Castro, and I'm a wastewater treatment plant operator trainee. A wastewater treatment plant operator maintains the operations of a plant, so we do a lot of process control of the wastewater treatment plant, as well as the maintenance of any of our equipment on site. The typical day of an operator involves monitoring the process control. So we take samples of various stages between the different tanks and different parts of the process. And we also use and maintain our various equipment. So we're running a belt press every day that basically de-waters a bunch of the solids at the end of the process, so we have to make sure that the solids going to the right place. I was kind of floating around looking for opportunities, and one kind of came to me, and I took it. My journey, I went to Polk State College. I really got to know many of my professors, and shout out to Professor K.T. Moran. She was a great mentor, and we actually came on a field trip here on like an environmental science type of thing course, and I was wondering if the city had any job opportunities open, especially for someone who's interested in science or in kind of the environmental field, and they said they have positions open, so I applied. I love science. And of course, like, the environment is a big thing that's going around in the science field right now. So having an opportunity to kind of learn about like how we take care of our waste or how we take care of our environment is also really important to me. I've always wanted to go into like a science-involved field, and definitely I enjoy seeing how through our samples and kind of lab analysis we control the processes involved in the plant. We run the same test every day. We run nitrates and phosphates, and in our chlorine chamber we measure the amount of chlorine going into the water because we need a minimum amount of chlorine and such like that. So we're just monitoring those levels. But I really like being able to kind of see how, okay, if I change the amount of chlorine pumping into the system, I'm gonna get back a different like chlorine residual coming back to me. So I like seeing that kind of feedback of what I put into the plant as an operator versus what the plant's spitting back out at us in terms of the water that we're producing. I do also enjoy kind of the variability. Not only do I deal with the informational aspects inside the lab, but I'm also going out and operating certain types of equipment, such as the belt press, or maybe the headwork screens. And if something needs fixing, I'm also working with my hands and doing more than just sitting in an office all day.